Hello everybody, everybody, everybody. Hello everybody, everybody, everybody. Hey. Such a good mood. I get to down one of these energy drinks. I'll go half. I gotta see my boyfriend today. Went to Five Below. There's so much stuff that I want there. Can't wait till payday to go there. But mostly just want to get some shirts there and pants, shoes, stuff like that. See if I can fit in a pair of their pants. If not, I'll give it to my niece. So they only go up to extra large, so it sucks, but I'm pretty sure I can fit my ass into those. Fit it, fit it, fit it, fit it, fit it, fit it, fit it. They got cool shirts there though. They got what's that called? Peaky in the Brain, which I wanna get that for my boyfriend. I want my boyfriend to get that shirt. And then they have one that has pretty much all of the Nickelodeon characters on there. Then they have Frozen one that I like. They have Aladdin. There's all kinds of different ones. And then I want to see if they have shoes for me there in my size. I have big feet. Like I wear 10s or 11s. So but yeah. My cough's going away. It's not as bad as it was at all. I haven't been drinking cold coffee today. I've been drinking hot coffee. It tastes so good right now. We're supposed to get a cold front tonight. It's gonna get colder. And then tomorrow it's supposed to heat up. Go figure. It's weird. But my boyfriend wants me to start watching this anime show called Castlevania. So far it's a good show. But I've been watching Mad TV on YouTube. Almost a Netflix, but on YouTube. Love Mad TV. But tomorrow I'm probably gonna have to play with this Frank. Excuse me, my niece is gonna be at work, so my dad already said it's fine, so I see my boyfriend a lot. Sunday we got to spend time at his parents' house, so that was nice. having a much better life. And my sister's letting me smoke, so less stress, less paranoia. I had a really bad anxiety earlier. Like, really bad. But I've gotten better now that I took my meds. And saw him, so. But yeah, and we went to McDonald's. Got a chicken sandwich and a McChicken and had shared his fries. But yeah, thumbs up and subscribe. Love you guys. Alright, bye.